Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video we are going to see how we can set up Visual Studio Code for Flutter and development. So in the past three video what we have learned that how to install Flutter in your Mac and set up Android Studio and Xcode for Flutter. In this video we are going to set up Visual Studio Code for Flutter. So if you do not have download Visual Studio Code, then just go to code.visualstudio.com website and download Visual Studio for your operating system. Then after install, what you have to do is you have see this kind of interface. Then just go to this over here, this section which is called extension section, and just search for Flutter. And the version which Flutter plugin right now is 3.21.0, and it has 2.6 million downloads and has 5-star. So just install this plugin only. Okay, just install it, and it's installing over here. Just wait for 2 to 3 minutes to install it. And as you can see over here, our plugin has been installed. Then just go for another plugin which is Dart and install this as well, which has 2.7 million downloads. Okay, let's click, and it is automatically installed with the Flutter plugin. Okay, as you can see, disable and uninstall. Okay, so right now what we have to do next is we have to go to the Flutter's website and follow the instruction guide for VS Code, which is right here. Okay, for creating new project in your Visual Studio Code, what we have to do is just have to open command palette in your VS Code and select Flutter new application project and enter. Okay, so just open this. Okay, you can open command palette from here also, and just write a Flutter new project, this one, select, and it will ask you to select any destination. Right now I'm going to select this over my desktop folder. Select and create project, and it will now says to write your application name. We will write first Flutter app. Okay, and hit enter. And as soon as you press enter, it will start to creating Flutter project, and it is already has been created. Okay, so it will ask you to some settings for Dart and Flutter. Then just say give yes. Okay, and just close it. And as you can see, this Flutter project has been created. And to test this project, what we have to do is we have to just open simulator from our Spotlight, and just wait for simulator to come online. Okay, so simulator has been started, and now what we have to do is we just have to click on this run button, or we just have to press F5. So I'll just click on this button, and let me put this over here. Or what I can do is just hide this section with command and B. Okay, and just minimize this, and I'll minimize this one on my simulator and put over here. Okay, so just click on this button and start debugging. Okay, Okay, so our application has been successfully started in our simulator. So this is the basic application as we have talked in our previous video. This is the application which provided by Flutter team to just demonstrate how Flutter is compatible to doing in your application. So this is the basic application where you just have to click on this button, and this over here will increase by one, like this. Okay, so uh, now we have set up all the things for Flutter, Android Studio, Xcode, and Visual Studio Code, and install Flutter in our Mac successfully. In the next video, what we have going to do is we are going to create our first project in Flutter, and just learn some basics things with Flutter. So stay tuned for that video. And if you have not watched our previous video, previous three video, which is installation of Flutter, setup in Android Studio, and setup in Xcode, then please go watch that video. Links are in the description. Thank you for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe.